Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got my OnStage box and I wanted to open it with you guys. So OnStage is basically the convention that Stampin' Up! Has, and this year they're doing a virtual, so it's from home. But look at that. All right. If you are going to OnStage and you don't want to know what's in the box, then please watch this later after you get yours. So let's see what we've got in here. We've got 3 pens, and they're of course in Stampin' Up! Colors. So definitely Blueberry Bushel. What are the other colors? Let's see. This one might be a Wild Wheat. And then I would put this one at, I'm looking at my colors, maybe Bubble Bath. What do you think? Let me know what you think. And then we've got Stampin' Up! Socks. I've never had Stampin' Up! Socks before. I have everything else. But not Stampin' Up! Socks. So I'm gonna open them. Gotta really open them. I don't want to cut them. There we go. So fun. Look at those. Again, true to form Stampin' Up! Colors there. Very cute. And they're nice and got a wide little ankle there. Oh, there's a box inside a box. Is that a puzzle? Let's see. I love the box itself. And it is. It's a puzzle. And this is what the puzzle is. It is OnStage. How cool is that? If you know me, you know I love puzzles. So we've got that. I definitely love this box. That is so pretty. And then it's got the picture on the back side as well. What else do we have in here? Oh, we have the pin. I can't really see. Let me see if I can move that. Right there, all those pins. Those are all my different Stampin' Up! Pins from over the years. And so I'll stick this one on there. Super excited about that. We've got the notebook. We always get a notebook of some sort. I love when they're nice and big notebooks because I love notebooks, as you could tell right there. So we're going to open this up. We've got dotted pages. I'll show them to you. I don't know if you could see the dots or not. There you go. You could see them. There you go. You have to cut. There we go. And then there's a pocket in the front, and inside that pocket, there's that pocket. Inside the pocket, we've got some stickers. It's 1 page of stickers, and it's got all the different languages that we have. So there's yay, and then different languages, some butterflies, hearts, rainbows, little submarines, it looks like. All kinds of fun stuff. Little emojis, some birthday gifts. You know, I will use this in my planning all year round. So very cool. This will be to take notes when we have our online. Oh, and if you are not currently signed up with Stampin' Up!, you could join this month in October and get to attend OnStage online for free. So I had to pay $70, I think it was, to go. Okay, this is fun. This is little, so even though it's on stage, we still get to do fun little things. And I'm taking everything out. So inside this, there's little photo props. So we've got all these little photo props. There's a table, what's that called? It's not called table chatter, table scatter. It's got a name tag. It's got little 35. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna tape these to these, and then you can hold them up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Scrapbooking like crazy. So you'll take this and tape it, and then you've got little props to smile with. Here's all the different sticks they gave us. Here's a fun one. We've got some little glasses. That'll be fun. This is how I'm going to show up to my online class. Oh, look how cute. Got our little, that guy. Got our little on stage, or Stampin' Up, and then here's our on stage. So all this fun stuff. And is it necessary? No. Is it fun? It's fun. I love to have fun with Stampin' Up. It's just a great little company that, you know, when I joined so I could have friends in the area, because I didn't have any friends when I moved to Phoenix. I was brand new and had moved from Nevada. So now most of my friends are Stampin' Up demonstrators, or have been Stampin' Up demonstrators. So love the book. Again, this box, you'll see this box. It's gonna make an appearance at some point. And then my little socks and pen. And as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna put this up on my little wall of pins over there. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna be probably scrapbooking with some of this stuff. So even this that came with the socks, I'll probably cut that out and put that somewhere. So I hope you guys liked it. Again, if you are interested in going to On Stage during the month of October, you could sign up for only $64.35. That's less than the cost of just going to On Stage, and you get to go for free. You get registered for free just by joining in October, and then you still get to choose $125 worth of product. So I would love to have you join my team. I am super excited to have Teresa and Denise. They have joined my team this month, so welcome you too. And I cannot wait to hang out and play with you on our classes and meetings and all kinds of fun stuff. All right, beauties, if you are interested, I'll put a link down below, or you can always go to beautyandthestamper.com to check out more information. All right, have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.